Meaning of maidenhair tree.
Maidenhair tree.
Maidenhair tree.
Maidenhair tree.
Maidenhair tree. Maidenhair tree refers to a type of tree known as Ginkgo biloba. It is an ancient tree species that is prized for its medicinal, ornamental, and cultural significance. The name maidenhair comes from the resemblance of the leaves to the hair of a woman or maid, while tree is self-explanatory. The Ginkgo biloba tree is native to China and has been cultivated for thousands of years. It is often used as a symbol of longevity and resilience due to its ability to survive in harsh conditions and its long lifespan. In addition to its cultural significance, Ginkgo biloba is widely used in traditional medicine to treat a variety of ailments, including memory loss and circulatory disorders.